Kikoff payment method declines are usually caused by payment information issues, bank restrictions, or a problem verifying the card or account connected to your profile. By the end, you'll know how to check your Kikoff payment settings, fix common payment declines, and what to do if your payment method still does not work. Start by checking the payment method saved in your Kikoff account. Incorrect card numbers, expired cards, or outdated banking information can prevent a payment from going through. Open your Kikoff account settings and review the payment details carefully. Update the information if your card has changed or your bank account is no longer the one you want to use. If your payment information looks correct, check with your bank or card provider. Banks can decline transactions because of security settings, account restrictions, or because the payment was flagged for review. Make sure the payment method you are using is active and able to complete online transactions. A locked card, replaced card, or restricted account can cause payment failures even when the information appears correct. If you recently added a new payment method, remove it and add it again. Re-entering the details can fix errors caused by an incomplete setup or incorrect information. Check your Kikoff account for any payment notifications or messages connected to the declined transaction. These alerts can help identify whether the issue is related to your payment method or your account. Avoid repeatedly trying the same declined payment method without checking the details first. Multiple failed attempts will not fix incorrect account information. If your payment method continues to fail after updating your information, contact Kikoff support. Provide details about the error message, the payment method you are using, and when the decline happened. The quickest fixes are usually verifying your saved payment details, confirming your bank allows the transaction, and updating an outdated payment method. Remember, a declined Kikoff payment does not always mean there is a problem with your Kikoff account. The issue can also come from the bank, card provider, or payment information connected to the account. To recap, check your Kikoff payment settings, refresh your payment method if needed, and contact support if the decline continues. Your next step is to open Kikoff and review the payment method currently connected to your account. If this guide helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other app troubleshooting videos for more quick fixes.